Welcome to VidNaz. Get started by typing your script and generating your video. Let's do this. Infographics are a game changer when it comes to presenting information visually, whether for social media, business, or personal projects. And with Canva, it's so easy, even if you're a total beginner. First things first, head to canva.com and either sign in or create a free account. Once you're in, click on the search bar and type infographic. Canva offers a ton of pre-made templates to get you started. Yeah, and these templates are great if you're short on time. But today, we're going to show you how to make one from scratch for that extra wow factor. Start by clicking on the blank canvas option. Decide on the dimensions you need. Usually, 800x 2000px works well for infographics. Next, think about your layout. Infographics typically have three key sections: header, body, and footer. Pro tip: use grids or guides in Canva to section off your canvas. This helps keep everything aligned and professional looking. Now, let's add some elements. Click on the Elements tab and search for shapes, icons, or lines. These will help structure your infographic. For example, use rectangles to create sections or lines to separate key points. And don't forget about hierarchy. Start with the most important information at the top and use bold headers or eye-catching colors to grab attention. Let's make it pop. Head to the toolbar to customize your colors. Stick to 2 to 3 main colors for consistency. Dre, any tips on color schemes? Yeah, think about your audience. Bold reds and blacks scream power, like Apex Predator vibes, while softer pastels are better for calm, empowering designs. And don't forget your fonts. Use a bold font for headers and a clean, readable font for body text. Canva's font pairing suggestions are super helpful. To add bar graphs, pie charts, or line graphs. Then, input your data directly into Canva. And if you're going for a more artistic vibe, use Canva's free or premium icons to illustrate your points. Just make sure the visuals match your message. Now that your design is coming together, zoom out to check for balance and readability. Once you're happy with it, click the Share button to download. PNG is great for high quality, but if you're printing it, go for PDF. Exactly. And always preview your infographic on both desktop and mobile to make sure it looks sharp everywhere. And there you have it, your very own stunning infographic made in Canva. If you love this collab, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let us know in the comments what other Canva tutorials you want to see. Remember, goddesses and predators, creativity is your power, own it. See you next time.